What? Is that wrong way?
No, you got to open both same time.
Oh, okay. Oh, hey, we are. Look at that. This is our room. Hi. Cute little flower. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. So beautiful. I guess this is the master bedroom. Don't touch anything first. Cool. Cool room. Okay, this is another room.
It's that.
Nice. Sam. Beautiful.
Here's the
And here's the toilet. Cool.
It has quite a big space actually.
Yes. Oops, sorry guys.
one.
And here is the living room. Turn on the lights. Yay!
Where does so much here?
Wow, I love this apartment. So this apartment is a Chelsea Bridge apartment. And it's really, really quite nice. Got a mini fridge. Cool. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's a price in it. It's a TV.
Yes, yes.
Oh, wow.
This is so soft.
I like that table there.
Look, Shane.
I know.
Look what I found.
And here's our dining.
Dad, I found it.
Ooh, cool. We got kitchen. Look at this kitchen. So lovely. Oh, I love this kitchen. I like the combination of black and white. Is there any lights in here to make it bright? Or that's it? And you know what's the cool thing of this? We got balcony. Yes, we do have a balcony and this is our view. How cool. Very, very cool. And that's the front over there. And that's the lounge. How wide is that? Oh, it's connecting here. Look at that. Cool, cool, cool. It's really cool. I'm loving it already. I love it. So there's 2 bedrooms in here, kitchen, living room, dining room, toilet, and a balcony. I think I give this 10 for now. And let's see what happens. It's gonna go down. Thank you. Thank you for watching. We are so tired and we're going to bed. Oh yeah, I forgot. We're hungry. We haven't eat. Bye.
There's a bird. He's just enjoying the water.
Yeah. They said, oh, it's kind of cool. Hello, birdie.